It's your boy Jay Will back with another video. I'm out of town again. I'll show you guys my hotel room. A little king size little hotel room. Got the Xbox hooked up. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up another ClickBank campaign, direct linking. A lot of people have been DMing me and told me to redo another video, show me results. I set this campaign up last night just to shoot this video today once I make a sale. So I'm gonna show you guys. First off, the ClickBank product I'm gonna promote is called Revision. It's an eye product. Search for it. Here we go. I left my mouse home. This the product on average about 123 bucks in commissions. Link name, you can name the product Revisions. I already have one, so I'm not gonna remake another one. What you wanna do is hit promote. Type anything into the tracking link, generate hot link, copy your link, swing on over to ClickMagick, paste it in here. Control, paste, oops. I don't have my mouse on me, so it's kind of hard to do it. Whatever, just paste it in there. Sub this out, put ClickBank affiliate. Wow. My current campaign, Revision Eye Supplement, 80% off. Today's only, limited time offer. As you can see today, I have 6 impressions and 2 clicks. CTR, 33%. Average cost per click, about $4.48. I spent $8.96 so far. Swing over to ClickBank. Go to the dashboard. As you can see today, first ClickBank account made a sale. $41.49. That's how everything works. Scroll down, you can see it says Revisions. That's the vendor name. Undo, go to keywords, type in Revisions. Buy Revisions. Then I use exact match and phrase match. Select these keywords and copy them. Create campaign. Come on. Visit to my website. Search ads. Next. I'm sorry I'm doing this without a mouse, so it's kind of trying to get through it kind of fast today. Name campaign Revision. $100 a day budget. I leave United States and Canada. Uncheck this box. Okay, since I don't have a mouse, I can't really copy this, so I'm gonna have to write it in brackets. Revisions. Close bracket. Bracket. By Revision. Close bracket. Revision Eye Supplements. Close bracket. Okay. Hit next. Headline. It's gonna be Revisions Supplement. Order. Oh crap. Order today. Free shipping. Description. You can do something like order Revision Supplement today, 80% off. Free shipping. Free shipping. Click Magic. I'm gonna copy this. Open a new window, paste it in there, grab the actual link right here, copy that, paste it here in the mobile, and also paste it in the final URL. Back to ClickMagick, we're gonna grab this link, copy this one, paste it in the tracking template right here. Put a slash, type query string. The query string is gonna show you exactly what the visitor typed in to pull your ad up and make the sale. I'm gonna show you guys the results of that in a minute. You just hit save. Scroll down. Save and go to the next step. And bid. $4, start it off. Advanced campaign settings. You want to do it on ad distribution. Click the second one. Only Bing and Yahoo and AOL. Then hit save. As I set this on my other account, this campaign up yesterday. I'm gonna show you guys the results of how it looks in ClickMagick once you make the sale. Today's date is July 24th. You can see right here on ClickMagick. Right here, I made one sale. Click on it. And it showed the exact thing somebody typed in. Revision eye supplement is what they typed in for me to make this sale for $41.49. As you can see on ClickBank, how much is it? $41.49. So that's how it works when you direct link. You can make money without a website. You just need ClickMagick as a tracking tool. Sorry, this video has terrible, all my videos has terrible quality. I have to buy no camera. I'm just doing this from my phone right now. I don't have a mouse. But in the meanwhile, if you got any questions, like, subscribe, comment, ask me anything. I'm always active. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.